Backpacking demands ultralight gear, and you cannot do ultralight on a budget. Still, we tried to dig deeper and found some budget backpacking gear that is perfect for those who want to start their backpacking journey. Today's video is on 20 budget backpacking gear for beginners. The purchase link and the updated price are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let's get started. For the tech-savvy backpacker, the Anker 3-in-1 power bank is a gadget that combines versatility and performance, making it an ideal companion on any outdoor adventure. This compact power bank features a built-in USB-C cable, a foldable AC plug, and a USB-C port, allowing seamless transitions between charging multiple devices without the hassle of extra cords. With two-way fast charging capabilities, it delivers an impressive 30-watt output for rapid power-ups and a consistent 22.5-watt output while you're on the move, ensuring that your devices stay charged without missing a beat. The ingenious 3-in-1 design simplifies your gear load, while the hands-free convenience of the integrated USB-C cable makes charging and carrying easy. Plus, the power bank offers versatile recharge options, letting you power it up using either the AC plug or the built-in cable. The Owl LR70 is a fantastic 3-in-1 device that serves as a flashlight, lantern, and power bank. This versatile gadget utilizes two SST40 LEDs, deliver a staggering 3,000 lumens with a beam distance of up to 328 yards, making it perfect for nighttime navigation. The flashlight features multiple brightness levels, including a turbo mode that automatically dims after 30 seconds to prevent overheating, and it remembers your last setting upon reactivation. As a lantern, it provides 360-degree illumination with 20 high CRI LEDs, emitting warm, natural light and offering various modes, including red light for preserving night vision. The LR70 also functions as a power bank, powered by two 21,700 lithium-ion batteries with fast charging capabilities for your devices. Its durable aluminum alloy construction, IP67 waterproof rating, and lightweight design make it a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure, ensuring you're prepared for any situation. The Big Blue SunPower solar charger eliminates the need to carry bulky power banks while backpacking. With an impressive energy conversion rate of 25.4%, this solar charger significantly outperforms the average 15% efficiency found in most competitors, allowing it to harness more sunlight for usable energy. Constructed from durable, water-resistant, and scratch-resistant 900 denier polyester Oxford fabric, SunPower 28 is built to endure the challenges of outdoor use. Equipped with 3 upgraded USB ports, it enables simultaneous charging of multiple devices at a maximum output of 5 volts or 4.8 amperes. Its intelligent charging technology automatically detects your device's requirements and adjusts the speed accordingly, while incorporating essential safety features like overcharging and short-circuit protection. The foldable design maximizes sunlight absorption, and a zippered pocket keeps your devices secure during charging. Compact when folded, the SunPower is the perfect addition to any backpacker's gear. All-in-one rain protection in budget. The One-Wind Outdoors Ultralight Rain offers quite a lot, weighing in at just 1.1 ounce. This compact poncho is crafted from Sil-Nylon ripstop fabric, delivering both durability and water resistance to keep you dry during heavy downpours. Its adjustable features ensure a comfortable fit for everyone, including men, women, and teenagers, with a head adjuster that prevents the hood from obstructing your view. Velcro fasteners on either side make it secure and baby-friendly, while loops and hooks help shield your legs from the weather. Additionally, the adjustable belt allows for a tailored fit, enhancing overall comfort during wear. This versatile poncho can also function as a survival shelter, thanks to the 4 ties on each corner that allow you to set it up as a sun or rain shield. The Adventure First Aid 2.0 kit by Adventure Medical Kits is an essential item for any budget-conscious backpacker, especially those planning trips with a small group. Designed for up to 4 people, this kit is equipped to handle a variety of common outdoor emergencies, such as bleeding, sprains, insect bites, headaches, muscle aches, and even allergic reactions. The kit's durable outer bag is built to withstand the demands of the outdoors, and the innovative Easy Care Pocket System keeps everything organized, ensuring that supplies are easy to locate in critical moments. With each section categorized by injury type, it simplifies the first aid process, empowering even inexperienced individuals to administer care confidently. Perfect for camping trips, family adventures, or any outdoor exploration, this kit provides peace of mind by keeping crucial medical resources on hand. The Lunar Solo by 6 Moon Designs stands out as an exceptional choice for a lightweight, stormproof shelter for backpacking. Weighing just 26 ounces, this single-wall tent features a unique pyramid shape that efficiently sheds wind from various angles, providing reliable protection during inclement weather. Its tall vent enhances airflow, while the innovative Prusique hook on the door allows for customizable height adjustments, ensuring optimal rain coverage and visibility based on conditions. Made from durable siliconized ripstop polyester, the Lunar Solo balances robustness and portability. To set it up, a single trekking pole or accessory pole is all you need, while the spacious vestibule and rear bump out offer generous room for sleeping and storing gear. With full perimeter netting for condensation control and bug protection, along with the tall bathtub floor to guard against splashes and moisture, this shelter combines functionality and comfort. For backpackers seeking reliable warmth without sacrificing weight in budget, the Thermarest Zite Sole sleeping pad is a good choice. This lightweight, closed-cell foam pad weighs in at just 14 ounces, making it a favorite among ultralight enthusiasts. Its unique peak and valley design effectively traps heat, ensuring you stay warm during mild weather conditions. Featuring dual-density foam, the Z-Lite showcases a durable yellow or blue bottom with a softer silver side for enhanced comfort. When the silver side is facing up, it not only adds extra warmth, but also boosts durability. The compact size allows for quick setup and easy packing, making it versatile for use as a standalone sleep system or as a protective layer for air or self-inflating pads. With its thermal capture finish that reflects heat to your body, it creates a perfect balance between comfort and functionality while emphasizing quality. Teetan Sports Trailhead sleeping bag provides everything you need on a budget. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, this ultralight mummy bag compresses easily into a small stuff sack. Designed for 3-season use, it features 7 denier interwoven polar light insulation that provides reliable warmth in temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Crafted from durable 75D diamond ripstop fabric, this sleeping bag is both water-resistant and tear-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance in the great outdoors. Moreover, the Trailhead Plus comes equipped with a drawstring hood for added warmth, a zippered pocket for stashing small items, and taped anti-snag zippers for easy access. Its full-length zipper draught tube keeps the warmth trapped inside, while the vaulted footbox offers ample space for your feet, even when lying on your side. With Teetan Sports' limited lifetime warranty, this sleeping bag guarantees peace of mind and long-term satisfaction for your backpacking adventures. The Tropic Fiel NS40 Travel Jacket is an innovative solution designed to adapt to a variety of climates and activities. Featuring a unique two-piece design, it consists of a water-resistant graphene upper half and a breathable fleece lower half, ensuring both dryness and comfort. The jacket's waterproof pocket safeguards your belongings from the elements, while organizational sub-pockets help keep essentials easily accessible. One of its standout features is its travel pillow functionality, as the layer packs down into itself for easy transport. Additionally, a hidden valuables pocket provides an extra layer of security for important items. The reversible vest offers high-performance waterproofing with a low-volume, down-style fill for added warmth. Made from vegan and recycled materials, the NS40 reflects an environmentally conscious design. Optional thumbhole cuffs can also be added for extra warmth and security, making this jacket a fantastic addition to any backpacking gear lineup. A price tag of $189 might seem a lot for a jacket, but for what the NS40 offers, it's justified. A pair of hiking poles can make trekking a lot more enjoyable, and the Trekology Tre Z folding hiking poles are an excellent choice for that. These poles feature adjustable lengths with two options, 100 to 120 centimeters. Constructed from durable 70-75 aluminum alloy, each pole is lightweight, weighing only 9.5 ounces or 11 ounces, and collapses to a compact 15 inches for easy storage in your backpack or carry-on. The metal flip-lock mechanism allows for quick height adjustments, ensuring long-lasting durability. With sweat-absorbing EVA foam grips and adjustable wrist straps, these poles offer comfort and stability on the trail. They help reduce the impact on your knees and ankles by up to 30%, enhancing endurance and balance. The CQR Men's Flex Ripstop Tactical Pants are a fantastic option for backpacking, perfectly blending comfort, durability, and versatility. Crafted from a robust blend of polyester, cotton, and spandex, these pants feature Duraflex fabric, which not only allows maximum mobility, but also boasts water and stain-resistant properties, ideal for unpredictable weather on the trail. The elastic waistband ensures a secure fit, accommodating active movement whether you're hiking or camping. With 8 multi-purpose pockets, these pants offer ample storage for tools and gear, keeping your hands free for other tasks. The articulated seams enhance comfort and flexibility around the knees, making them suitable for dynamic activities like climbing or navigating rough terrain.